Cameras good? All right, cameras are ready. This will be round one of mini class. We got Mikey Gunslinger versus Ryan Great Digger. Cameras are ready. Drivers, are you ready? Watch the light. Gets up for the Great Digger. The flip top body of the Gunslinger. We'll do a double loop. Looks like Gunslinger takes a tumble. And Great Digger, since he got wins. All right, cameras are ready. Drivers, are you ready? Watch the light. All right, you can start with these two trucks. This is kind of a cool matchup with the new Traxxas versus the SMS. Oh, the infamous takes a tumble. It's going to give the win to the mini square body. Slow and steady on that race. Alright guys, remember we go back-to-back brackets with this, so you don't get one through this bracket, we have another one coming right out afterwards. Alright. Cameras, are we ready? Drivers, are you ready? Watch the light. Nice start for these two. Good even turn. Once they come down to it. Oh, the penalty for both trucks. Ryan's going to keep it. Cameras, are you ready? Drivers, are you ready? You watch the light. Oh, somebody's going to take a start over there. Now can take it. Drivers can do a little freestyle for everybody. Alright, cameras, are you ready? Drivers, are you ready? Watch the light. Let's smash it. Take this one. Whoa. Brandon, smash it. Take the win. Alright, drivers, are ready? Watch the light. Alright, some Digger's gonna take that win. Alright, cameras ready. Drivers, are you ready? Watch the light. That's a nice high speed race. Oh, awesome time taking. Really nice off the ramp.
I don't know who won that. Did that come back on there?
I think it was my dad.
I think he won. I was too busy watching Troy jump off the car. The computer will be attention. Alright, so Brendan versus Brendan. He's got a substitute driver. Which one are you driving? Right.
I'm driving
Traxxas. Okay, cool. Alright, drivers, are you ready? Watch the light. He rolls it. Brendan is trying to take the win. Mini class, bracket 2, brought to you by Power Hobbies and Brassing Fab. This will be your finals for mini. Your final bracket. Alright, drivers, are you ready? Watch the light. Missing the racket between our legs. Awesome Tom taking the win. There you go. Alright. This will be Richo's bracket number 1. Brought to you by Horizon Hobbies and Tom Tavern Market. Alright. Everyone's ready? Drivers, are you ready? Watch the light. high pressure is the lead. High pressure, high pressure.
Oh, yeah, I saw that.
All right. Cameras, you ready? Drivers, are you ready? Watch the light. Straight back the line. They took the forward. All right. Got a couple of riders on the line here. We got Mike versus Jacob. What's the name of that old thing, Jacob? Mad Max? All right, Mad Max versus Blue Thunder. All right. Cameras, are we ready? All right, drivers, are you ready? Watch the light. Let's start with two times for Blue Thunder. Do a nice turn. Oh! Look at this, this stuff all over the place. And come down to finish. And Blue Thunder. Oh, knocks off a headlight. So here we go. We've got our two high contenders here to the retro class. One over here. Cameras, are you ready? Drivers, are you ready? Watch the light. Now, big deal thing for this foot. Yeah, they're leading right now. And Bigfoot. And Kyle. Bigfoot won. He took the race by a short length. Alright, cameras, are you ready? Alright, cameras are ready. Drivers, are you ready? Alright, watch the light. Let's start these two trucks. Oh, last tire penalty. And another tire penalty. So it is an easy way to stand there for Ethan Cargo. A brand new build for Santa. A comfortable chassis. Yeah. Cameras, are we ready? Drivers, are you ready? Alright, watch the light. Nice job with the two trucks here. Very, very good. Look over the wheels of the lead. Whoa, starting to the Blue Thunder. Now that's cool. Not going to be a race though. Bigfoot 4. Taking it on the top of Bigfoot 4. Makes it on. Jesse, are you ready? Cameras are ready. Drivers, are you ready? Watch the light. Oh, he's going through the wall. Oh boy, here we go. Looks like Kyle's running away with it. And Bigfoot won. Makes it into the finals. All Kyle finals. That means he gets to pick the truck. 4 is going to get the points. You want to take the 5 round one so he gets the footage?
Sure.